Ever feel like your paycheck disappears the second it hits your account? Like you didn't even buy anything crazy, but somehow there's nothing left? Look, Gen Z didn't suddenly forget how to budget. Rent is up, food is up, subscriptions quietly drain you, and your money just leaks out. But here's what's interesting. Low budget living became the #1 FinTalk trend. And not because people love being cheap, it's because these small tricks are saving people hundreds every month. Let me show you 7 of them. My name is Alex, and I spend way too much time thinking about money psychology. If you're trying to save without feeling miserable, hit subscribe. This will actually help. Trick number 1, no spend anchor days. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't need a no-spend month. You need 2 or 3 no-spend days per week. No Amazon, no food delivery, no random, just browsing. People doing this save $150 to $250 a month without changing their lifestyle. Trick number 2, reverse subscription audit. Instead of canceling subscriptions one by one, do this. Cancel everything. Then add back only what you actually miss. Most people save $40 to $100 a month just from this alone. If you forgot it existed, you didn't need it. Trick number 3, grocery price. Anchoring. Set a hard price limit in your head. $5 for snacks, $10 for meals. Nothing, just because. This one trick saves people $80 to $150 a month because your brain stops impulse upgrading. Trick number 4, cash-only fun money. Pick one category: food, going out, random spending. Withdraw cash and use only that. When the cash is gone, you're done. People save over $100 a month because spending suddenly feels real again. Trick number 5, DIY the easy stuff. Not extreme DIY, just the obvious swaps. Home coffee, simple meals, basic replacements. Skipping just 4 cafe drinks a week saves $120 a month. That's over $400 a year from one habit. Trick number 6, the 48-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 48 hours to reconsider. Most impulses disappear. People using this consistently save $150 or more a month without even trying. If you still want it later, fine, but most of the time, you won't. Trick number 7, budget by paycheck, not monthly. Budgets feel abstract. Paycheck budgets feel real. Split your money every time you get paid, and suddenly overspending drops. This saves $100 to $300 a month for most people. Conclusion: low budget living isn't about being broke. It's about being intentional. Pick 2 of these and you'll feel the difference fast. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell if you want money to feel less stressful. I'll see you in the next one.